From cooking for a family of 4 to today for a family of over 13 million people. Welcome to the success journey of Kabita Singh, the famous Indian YouTuber and food blogger. Kabita ma'am did her MBA and worked at a bank. Later, when she got married and settled in UK with her husband, she didn't like the food there and started cooking on her own. Kabita's passion for cooking led her to start her YouTube channel called Kabitaskitchen. She faced a lot of challenges from poor lighting to lack of equipment, but she never gave up. Her first recipe was simple homemade bhindi. With time, her subscribers started increasing and her experimental recipe bread rasgulla became a turning point in her life. During the pandemic, she started posting simple food recipes and her followers loved her work. Now, she's earning in lakhs per month and her channel is on number 2 in the list of top Indian YouTube bloggers. With her hard work, determination and positive mindset, she has now over 13 million subscribers on her channel. She recently bought her dream house, was awarded at International Women's Day, and lastly, is known in every Indian household. What would be a better achievement? Kabita is an inspiration to every woman. She has set an example that a housewife can also be successful in converting her hobbies into a career. Comment down below and let us know what did you learn.